If you have an old IBC tote hanging around your yard, don't throw it away. Convert it to a useful wood storage container. Our tote no longer holds liquids, but the metal frame is still useful. If you still have the plastic container inside the metal grate, you can choose to remove it by unscrewing the screws located on both sides of the tote. And there's 2 bars on top that you want to remove, and then you can lift the tote, the plastic tote. You might have to remove if you have one of the case covers, remove that, and possibly even remove the hose apparatus that's attached to the water tote.
Okay, so we're just going to take off the front 3. We'll go 3.
Okay. Our battery-powered grinder was strong enough to cut through these bars. All in all, we made 10 cuts, 3 on the left side of the tote, 3 on the right side, and 4 across the horizontal.
Probably want to
File those down?
yeah, so they don't
Do we have something?
cut us, or just put
Caps.
some kind of yeah, maybe even a piece of wood over the top and just screw it down.
Oh yeah, good
You know
idea.
what I mean?
Yep.
Like a little wood frame.
Mm-hmm. The cut bars left behind are very sharp, so it's advisable that you file them down or put some cover over top of them.
Great. Power of a grinder.
You see behind me the pile of wood I'm putting into the tote. When I finished, the tote is only half full, leaving lots of room to store numerous logs. Before making any cuts on the frame, we were deciding which way we wanted to store the wood. Leaving the tote in the upright position was the better choice, as it provided a sturdier, solid base and a way for water to drain off. Really?